Is that gut? No, that deer's dead.
Yeah, I smelled it. He smoked his ass, didn't he?
Let's try to keep cussing to a minimum.
Oh, you video camera?
Yeah.
That's what you want to see right there.
That's as pretty as it gets right there. Alright, which way to go?
Shot. We got the bloodhound with us. He jumped this log, got to back right here and cut back left. Last I saw him, he was like running back that way. You gonna get that camera when we get back?
Yeah.
Alright, bloodhound. Yes, sir. Where you at? Well, I'm gonna say he's just right up there. But I'd like to get on some blood.
There's not any tracks on that side of the log, so he's gonna have to come through here.
Come over here, Lee.
They come over this way.
You know, I just don't really remember it. I just remember seeing him, that big ass body coming at an angle through there, and I thought, man, he's gonna go crash on the forward road. Surely he's dead.
Dead?
He's dead, isn't he? Look at that.
Oh yeah, man.
Shot him at 10 after 9, I think. You don't see any blood?
Looks like here. Looks like something running right down through here.
Dang, I'd like to get on a blood trail.
Here he is, right here.
Right here. Yeah.
I see the deer.
Way on him.
I see the deer.
See? Where?
The spot. Stay straight.
Right here's where he comes.
Stay straight. You run right into him.
Oh, see. Yeah, there he is. God dang, that's a good one, William.
That's a stud.
Ain't it? Huh?
Yeah. That's a good bow kill, man.
Good bow kill.
Man, yeah.
Heck yeah, it is, William.
Look at, they got velvet on him too. Check that out. Check out, Lee.
Hobo. Man, that's a real good deer, William.
Oh, yeah.
Golly, that's a good looking buck, man.
Thought he was a lot bigger.
Shoot, that's a good one, man.
No, it ain't either. Dadgummit.
I don't know why you can't enjoy it, man. That's a nice bow kill.
Yeah, it is. Heck yeah.
That's a cool looking buck, man.
Real good looking deer.
I thought he was
Get in there and hold him up. Zip. God, yeah, that's a good one, man.
Good deer.
That's one we had on film.
Yeah. Roll him around here. That's a stud, man.
You got that right.
That's cool. Turn him, show me that velvet.
Big old body.
Man, that's a cool looking deer.
I saw that body, that's why I thought he was bigger.
Big old
Dude,
body.
that's a good one, man.
I'm telling you.
Good bow.
You got that